Hi.
Hi.
We're watching YouTube and we're marking registers. Can't show you the names. No, I can't show the names. So we got sister. So I'm helping her mark her registers and I'm watching YouTube. It's my cousin. Yeah, watch YouTube. Yes, guys, so it is currently 6:15. We have
Half more hour. A joke.
No, we have watch night at 10. So yes, guys, it's Christmas Eve vlog, as you guys see.
No,
So
New Year's Eve.
yes, just
Christmas
people.
Eve done,
Christmas Eve, it done. I don't know what I'm taxi. So it is New Year's Eve plus New Year's Day vlog. I don't think I'm gonna edit this before tomorrow morning to upload. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda,
So
a little.
so yes, it's New Year's Eve vlog plus New Year's. So yes, guys, let's see how today will go. The vlog is starting late, but yeah, I should probably start vlog from morning because we did quite a lot. We searched for our work clothes because school is on Monday. I packed my bag. What else did I do? I went to the post office with mom. But yeah, no remember what else.
I can't wait to burst the wine.
Yes, we're bursting some wine tonight. So until then, we're just gonna continue doing this. Then we're gonna shower, get ready, and then we're gonna go to church. Bye. Say bye.
We could say Elijah was in a desert place. For when you read the passage, that's what it says. He left where he was and went to Beersheba, left his servant there, and then continued on his journey and journeyed into a desert.
Okay, so we're back from church, but you know we're hungry, so we're trying to get some coffee. I'm gonna put some of my red wheat honey. It's so pretty. No, that one don't buy for business. This buy for me Christmas. Mind this. Yeah. Because me never have no eyes moon buy for business. No. But yes, guys. So Happy New Year. Happy New Year, honey.
Don't show them all I'm wasting.
I say if you ever waste my cheese, say Happy New Year. So I hope you guys here will be prosperous and all your dreams will come true. Yeah. I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry. Alright, guys, so it is like currently 2:12 right now. Did I see that? Yeah, it's 2:12. So I I don't think I'm gonna fall asleep right now, but I'm gonna lay down and like scroll, watch something until I fall asleep. So I'll see you guys later on in the day when I'm doing stuff, hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna try and vlog this year, so I'm gonna try and do stuff this year on YouTube. So we're gonna start the year great. So yes guys, I'm gonna try and rest, because I need to have a lot on my to-do list for tomorrow. I need to iron. I've already packed my bag. Not remember what else is on my to-do list, but I need to help my sister do something tomorrow as well. Yeah, and then just have fun with some makeup. I wanted to do some makeup. I haven't done makeup in a while, so I just want to play around with my makeup. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later on. It's not tomorrow, it's later. It's already Saturday, so later.
Many hours later.
Hi guys, good morning. So it is morning. It's currently probably about after 8, after 9, after 10. I'm not sure, probably after 10, I think. Anyway, so we're up. Alright guys, so as I said, it's after 10 and I'm up. We are gonna have breakfast. I've changed, I've made my bed. We're gonna have breakfast, first breakfast of the new year, but we ate last night, so it's not the first meal of the year. So yes, I'm gonna eat and then I'll see you guys later. As I said, today pretty much I have ironing to do. I have, let me see, I packed my bag already. I've ironing, I looked the clothes already. I'm gonna take these off. I need to do this today because it wasn't going through yesterday. That's why it wasn't done. I need to iron. I'm going to prepare content for the 11th graders, which will probably not be today. It doesn't have to be today. These don't have to do today because we're not teaching Monday. So I'm doing SPA with them. They're getting tests, so yeah. And then I need to finish helping Shan today, and that will be it for, yeah, that's just the chores for today and just to have fun. So this is my OOTD. Just wearing this yellow blouse with my biker shorts that I wore earlier in the year, well, last year. I have on my, what do you call this, shaper thingy. Yeah, just I go and bounce it for the day. So yeah. All right guys, I forgot to show you guys that I was ironing, but I've ironed, and I've ironed for 2 weeks. So yeah, goody over there to finish iron. So hi, happy new year.
Happy New Year.
All right guys, we're gonna help mommy. Yes guys, I'm drinking soup. It's very strange, but I'm drinking soup. Let's go out here. Busy.
Push it right up. Let's push it up. Look, everything can lift. Turn it over.
Go chef. Go chef pig. Why am I
Don't worry about that, no problem.
Where is your shoes?
The chef.
She's the real chef.
No.
She's just sweet. Drink.
Huh? I guess turn cut a brick.
I'm not sure about the suit.
Huh?
So my shirt on me. My skin shirt. Yeah.
Alright guys, we are gonna put back in some of the cookies in this, so because them kind of soft. So how come I cook them just a break up so? How me cook them? Me cook them a break up. Who not lost a hand, lost a head. Me go put them back right. Me I take out now. So me I look and I realize that half of them broke. I burnt them. I burnt these. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we're going to try and decorate some of these cookies with, I tried to make this green, but because it was pink, it now go green. Just I go there. So anyways, got the pink. And I'm gonna drop nothing else in it. So we're gonna decorate. Hi! And it's New Year's, so we're decorating Christmas cookies. New Year's Day is not gonna go to plan, but we're gonna decorate some more.
I don't get no sprinkle on mine.
If we get no sprinkle.
I don't know what I'm to say.
What?
I'm hungry.
Why?
Never.
Oh. Hello, why you taking out of the fridge?
Gone. You said it's got fry. You tell me I served first to come ask the festival. I said, don't you need figure fry festival?
Alright, hi guys. So it's actually the next morning. So just coming on to end the vlog. So last night after we had our jerk chicken, we just sat around, chilled, and then we all showered and we went and we watched Home Alone 4. So we did not get to watch Home Alone, you know, from actually at the beginning. So we've been watching it so we can reach the 6th. So we have one more to go and then we have the 6th one. And we're watching it as a family because that's what we always wanted. That's what we wanted from the beginning. We did that last year. We watched all of them last year and we wanted to do that again this year. So we've been doing that, but we haven't finished, but we're gonna finish and watch. I think we're gonna watch some today. So today's Sunday, so we're gonna watch some today. Hopefully we can get to watch last 2 Sunday because I'm excited to see how 6 is. I'm just patiently waiting to watch it. So yes, I'm excited to see how that goes. So yes, just coming on to watch the vlog. Just coming on to end the vlog. So yes, the first day of 2022 is now done. It's the 2nd day. So the new year old, not new anymore. One day gone. So yeah. So yes guys, thanks so much for watching and happy new year again to you guys. I hope this year will be what you want it to be, and I hope you will achieve things that you've always wanted to achieve in this year. So yes guys, so thanks again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.